Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we will presentation about our project. Our project is pengenalan prodi teknologi permainan dalam bentuk komik. Introduction, team members. The project manager is Miss Rini Amadia, the client is Miss Leonie Lumombo, and the member is Muhammad Sultan Adriansyah, Yolivia Pratiwi, Rania Anissa Fahira, and Randy Vandria. Reasons. The reasons for creating this project is increasing the numbers of students majoring in game technology, attracting the interest of vocational high school students to register for the game technology study program, introducing the game technology study program as a new study program at Polybatam. Scope. Responding to the rapidly growing gaming industry, we decide to focus on producing national gaming industry talents that can be recognized by the world. Therefore, Batam State Polytechnic create a new study program from the Informatic Engineer Department, namely the Game Technology Study Program. This is reference for our comic. Project design. The title is Introduction to Game Technology Study Program in comic form. The genre is comedy and the target age is 19 to 24 years. Story idea. Story number 1. Ucok bingung. A schoolboy sits in a desk on the rooftop. Then Rina comes and says, "Oh, I thought it was a lighting rod." Then Rina reminds him to choose a major at Polybata because Rina knows her brother like to play games and is looking for the right study program. And Aji is excited.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Randy Vandrian. I'm from class animation PBLAN 310A and I will presentation story idea from my story. Story 2, kejar deadline. Synopsis: a schoolboy run to Polybatam to catch the deadline for registering for the game study program, but another student approached him and asking him, "Why are you running?" And replied, "I'm catching the game engineering registration, but did you forget how to wear shoes and sandals? That you wear the right shoe and the left sandal. The registration deadline is still a long way off." And then next slide, story ID games terus. Synopsis: on a residential street, see a school child who was walking home after hanging out with his friend until 00 p.m. The situation around the housing complex felt very quiet. She walked while playing games and suddenly a bicycle was walking by itself attached to the handlebars, containing that the Batam State Polytechnic had a new study program, namely the Game Technique Study Program. Then the bicycles walk slowly and then speed up like lightning.
Story 4, Kata-kata game. The synopsis is character A and C are walking in the park. Character A sees character D in front of it. Character A is told to call character D, then character B asks for word from character D.
Script based from the story idea, but the script have a script dialogue for the character. Ucok stood on the rooftop and Siti approached Ucok and said that there was a new study program at Batam Polytechnic and Ucok was interested.
And script story 2, kejar deadline. Panel 1, exterior trottoir Polybatam morning, and name this job dialogue. And story have 4 panels. And story 3, game terus. Panel 1, exterior di jalan malam hari, and game terus have 5 panels.
For story script 4, there are 5 panels. In panel 2, Ucok shouted calling out to Kak Gim. In panel 3, Anwar say he is asking for word from Kak Gim. In panel 4, Kak Gim responded and give his word.
Here I would like to introduce the characters from in our project. Character A, his name is Ucok, is a 16-year-old student. Character B, whose name is Siti, who is a 20-year-old student. Character C, whose name is Anwar, he is a 16-year-old student. And character D is Kak Kim, who is a 30-year-old content creator.
Rough storyboard. Rough storyboard function as the planning stage in making comics.
The next step is clean up the storyboard. This is the final stage before coloring. The next step is the final comic, where all 4 stories have been colored and text bubble added. As For the application of course, the first is hard surface 3D asset, where we learn basic 3D modeling technique. The second is English, where we use English throughout the entire presentation slide. The third is animation effect, where we create a dust effect when the character hand a game is pushed forward. The fourth is animation physics, where we apply principle of physics when making the comic move. The fifth is 2D animation character, where we use character in 2D form. The sixth is motion concept, where we use bone rigging technique to make the comic move. The seventh is 2D animation principles, where we applied one of the 12 animation principles, secondary action, when the character is talking.
And application of course audio animation, we only using Empire for guitar and bass. And then application of course duration 18 second, music, funk music, ambience, no, effect bar and walking sound. And then 29 second, jazz music, ambience, no, and then animation production. This link
buat orang yang suka main game.
YouTube
Oke,
video
singkat saja. Untuk kalian yang
video
suka bermain
animation.
game, tingkatkanlah skill kalian
Video.
dengan belajar membuat game sendiri. Daftarkan diri kalian ke program studi teknologi permainan yang ada di Politeknik Negeri Batam. Bermain, berinovasi, berprestasi. Pahal.
And next slide, contribution pre-production Muhammad Sultan Ardiansah, Randy Vandrian, and my friend Yolivia Pratiwi. Production Rania Anissa Fahira, Rockskate and Art Style, M Sultan Ardiansah. Audio and comic finishing, me comic finishing, and Yolivia Pratiwi, animate and storyboard finishing. And then consolation, with this Pebble we have learned how to do voiceovers, fill in soundtracks, and move animation along with the effect in the animation. And the project went smoothly without any obstacles. In this project we have produced 4 comics and 1 moving comics. Title: Avoid delayed work, immediately complete edge text, so that the timeline is achieved immediately. Prioritize PBL text first before playing, going out, playing games, and other as long as it is not an emergency.
Documentation. This is documentation during the war stage. Thank you. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.